Hello beautiful people. In today's video we are gonna make burger and burger is my favorite food item. Like मुझे साल के 365 days भी अगर तुम बर्गर खिलाओगे मैं बहुत खुशी खुशी खा लूँगी. So let's start with our today's recipe.
So to make burger we need very basic ingredients and that is maida, namak, adrak लहसुन का paste, boiled corn, chaat masala, carrot, garam masala, लाल मिर्च powder, धनिया powder, haldi, 2 boiled and mashed potatoes, 1 onion soaked in vinegar and breadcrumbs. So take a pan and add oil to it, not too much of oil, a little amount of oil, and let it cook for a while till the oil has been heated up. Once your oil has been heated up, add adrak लहसुन का paste to it and even cook the adrak लहसुन का paste. Here we are trying to make Indian style burger, like with some extra masalas and Indian tadka. So we have added adrak लहसुन का paste here. So cook your adrak लहसुन का paste well, and once you find out that it has been cooked, then add carrots to it. Adding carrots is also completely your choice. Like if you like carrots you can add more of it. If you don't like carrots you can just skip this step. So we will even cook our carrots well with adrak लहसुन का paste, and we will just lid it up so that it get cooked quickly for 2 to 3 minutes. And once we make sure that it has been cooked on low flame, we will just remove the lid. So yeah, after 2 to 3 minutes it will look somewhat like this, and that will ensure that your carrots are being completely cooked. After that, add all the masalas at once and even roast the masalas well. यहाँ पे मैंने मसाले थोड़े ज़्यादा डाले हैं. अगर आपको ना पसंद हो तो आप मसाले कम भी डाल सकते हैं. So once your masalas are being roasted, add corns to it and even cook the corns well with the masala. Burger is literally my favorite food item, and like in this time of pandemic it is really not safe to go out and have your favorite food. So I would suggest all of you that whatever is your favorite food, try to make it at home and just avoid outside or street side foods. So here our corn has been cooked. Then we will add our boiled and mashed potatoes to the mixture, and we will even mix this well. Here you can see how I'm mixing all the stuff well. Once you mix all the ingredients well, in the last we will be adding chaat masala and namak. This step is the heart of this recipe. Like without chaat masala your burger won't taste that great. So do not miss this step. And we will again mix this up and keep it aside to cool to make the patties. Till then we will start to make our mixture for binding the patties together. Here I have taken maida and I'm adding a little amount of water to the maida to make a thin paste without any lumps, so that it could just bind my patties together. Here you can see how I am binding and adding a little amount of water at a time. You have to keep on adding water till you get a texture somewhat like this. Here I have made patties with my own palm. You can even use the cutter to do so. Here I have made 4 patties. Now we will move forward in the process of binding them together. So first take a patty and dip it into the maida and water wala paste, and then add it into the breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs will help it to make it more crispier. So here we go, and After this step, refrigerate the patties for at least 1 hour before you go for the deep fry. So there it is. I've added 2 patties at a time. You can even add more. Cook your patties completely and make it more and more crispier as much as you can. So here it looks once your patties have been completely cooked and it's been crispy. So let's move forward in the final step, and here I have taken buns divided into 2 halves and tossed in butter. Now take a bun and on the base firstly apply mayonnaise to the base. Here I have taken plain mayonnaise. You can even take burger mayonnaise, और मेयोनीज़ लगाने में बिल्कुल भी कंजूसी मत करना, अच्छे से मेयोनीज़ लगाना. Once you are done with applying of the mayonnaise, then we'll add the patty on the top. We will then add cheese slice. You can even take burger cheese, and you can even just skip this step, but I don't think anyone would skip this step. So then add cabbage or lettuce, whatever is available to you. And then lastly onions. Here I soak the onions in vinegar for an extra flavor. And at the top again some mayonnaise. And then at the last there is the bun. To set this, you can even prick a toothpick into it so that nothing just moves out of the place. And your tasty burger is ready.